Changing the email link to your YouTube account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Sign into YouTube. Log into your YouTube account using your current email and password. Ensure you are using the account you want to modify. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Advanced Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Advanced Settings on the left sidebar. Click on it to find options related to your account. Step 4. Change email address. In the Advanced Settings, you will see the option to change your email address. Click on Change Email and follow the prompts to enter your new email address. Step 5. Verify new email. After entering your new email, you will receive a verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, refer to YouTube's Help Center for further assistance.